This is a 2005 Toyota Camry. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a passenger side airbag, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.